In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall an app from the Microsoft Store. If you've installed an app from the Microsoft Store and you're ready to remove it, the process is quick and straightforward. We'll do everything right inside the store so you don't have to dig through complicated system menus. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, plus a few tips to make finding the right app easier. Start by opening the Microsoft Store on your Windows device. You can launch it the same way you open any app. Look for the shopping bag icon with the Windows logo on your taskbar, or open your Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Give it a moment to load so the home page fully appears. Next, head to your app library. Look to the bottom left corner of the store window and click the library icon. It looks like a small bookshelf. The library is where the store keeps track of what you've installed and what you own, and it's the best place to manage apps tied to your account across devices. Inside the library, focus on the list of apps that are installed on this device. You may see sections for updates and downloads, but you're looking for the installed list. If you have a lot of apps, take advantage of the sorting options. Sorting by name can make it easy to jump to the first letter of the app, and sorting by recently installed or recently updated can help if you just added it. If there's a search field at the top of the library, you can also type the app's name to narrow things down quickly. When you found the app you want to remove, look to the right of its name. You'll see a small menu, typically shown as 3 dots or sometimes a little arrow. Click that to open the app's options. If the app supports it, you'll see Uninstall in the menu. Click Uninstall, then confirm if you're prompted. The store will remove the app from your device, and the listing should disappear from the installed section once the process finishes. If you don't see an uninstall option, that simply means this particular app can't be removed through the Microsoft Store. Some system components and certain desktop applications aren't managed here, so the option won't appear. That's all there is to it. You launch the Microsoft Store, open the library, located your installed app, and use the apps menu to uninstall. If you change your mind later, you can always return to the library to reinstall apps you own. Thanks for watching, and happy tidying up your apps.